Hello and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about virtual desktops that stand superior in comparison with physical desktop devices and have drastically simplified the IT management. Virtual desktops are computer operating systems with applications hosted on the server and can be accessed through a client software or web browser from multiple devices and locations over the network. Since the data is stored in the data centers and not on endpoint devices, virtual desktops benefit the end users with greater flexibility. Highlighting the benefits of workplace flexibility, significant cost savings, easy management, and centralized troubleshooting, virtual desktops are leveraged by organizations to improve and streamline their operations. With the data never leaving the data centers and covering everything from data security to uptime reliability, can this replacement of physical desktop machines safeguard the downtime? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Madhuri Desai, signing off.